It is going to be sunny and mild this afternoon with highs back in the 40s. We do have rain to snow moving into the state tomorrow, with rain mainly in the metro and some snow along the northern border of the state. The overall intensity of the storm is going down as it gets closer, and I would say that northern Iowa is really continuing to be the target for the snowfall. Here's a look at the highs across the state today. 20s in northwest Iowa, 30s around Fort Dodge. Much cooler closer to this front along the northern border of the state. Much warmer in southern Iowa with highs close to 50 degrees. Now tonight's lows look similar to what we've been dealing with over the last couple of nights. Lows in the teens in northwest Iowa, 20s across the rest of the state. Tomorrow afternoon, I do think a majority of the state will stay above the freezing point, and that's what's going to lead to more rain first, then snow until it gets colder Thursday night into Friday. Parts of Nebraska already under a winter weather advisory, and that will start after midnight and continue throughout the day on Thursday. We'll continue to see sunshine today with more clouds building in late tonight, potentially some fog, some drizzle in the early morning hours. But here comes the precipitation. When I got in today, there's lots of consistency that it's moving just a little bit slower than first anticipated. So by 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon, this is more of a wintry mix, and this is kind of bad timing because this is when kids are getting out of school and we have the commute going on as well, and that's really when the temperatures are looking just a little bit iffy in parts of the state. Now the highest likelihood of seeing a light glazing of ice would be to the north and west of the metro, right around Audubon, and then it shifts over to snow right around Fort Dodge, in between Highway 30, Highway 20, right around 10 p.m. on Thursday. This would be the band of heavy wet snowfall that will be lifting off to the east northeast, but it really looks like the event will be over by Friday morning. Friday afternoon will be dry, and most of your weekend looks dry. Here's a big picture of the storm system, and I point this out only if you do have travel plans, but you can see that band of snowfall really impacting parts of Minnesota around midnight on Friday and continuing to lift to the east northeast by 8 a.m. Again, this is rain right around Chicago yet Friday morning, and by Friday afternoon all looks calm but cloudy definitely across the state. Now this is new, some light precipitation early Saturday morning over parts of Minnesota, some rain continuing to the south. Not a lot happening here in central Iowa, but a little light activity possible early Saturday morning. Now the rainfall totals have definitely dropped, but it still looks like parts of the state could get a quarter to a half inch. There may be some isolated inch amounts, and in terms of a light glazing of ice, that's really all we're seeing for that. This is where the heaviest snow continues to set up in between Sioux Falls and in that far northeast corner of the state. 44 for the high this afternoon. Lots of sunshine, light northwest wind. 25 tonight with more clouds building in, and then tomorrow afternoon we'll be back with that rain to snow by the end of the day. I do think the afternoon evening commute could be a bit questionable as this system starts to move in, but you can see the temperature staying above the freezing point for the most part. So I do think that will prevent us from seeing icing and a whole lot of snowfall. It should be mainly rainfall. On Friday, cloudy, 40. On Saturday, 44. On Sunday, 45. And then it looks warmer and above average on Monday and Tuesday with another chance for some measurable rain.